Welcome to another gameplay video at Texas Paintball. Today we're playing Attack and Defend. I'm attacking. Our mission is to get a bomb in one of the bunkers and take over the town. Hope y'all enjoy.
Clearing, guys! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out in the alley! Move! 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 Move!
Move!
I got him. He's down. He's down. He's down. Watch your head. Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him. Okay. Just hey, watch your right side. Okay. Do not peek right. Watch your right. Yeah. I got you. Are you watching that corner? Uh-huh. He's down. Dude, I nailed the crap out of him.
And that first crack, the first.
I see him.
Right side of the bus! Right side of the bus! Dude, you fucking took my shoe off. Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go for it. Move it up. On the right.
Got him. He's down. He's down. He's down. Oh, I'm so mad I wasn't recording.
First crack, I think he's down, but
Yeah, I took him down.
got hit in the holster. Okay. Jacob, watch your left.
I'm trying to watch your head. What's this kid doing? I see him. I see him. I see him. Hold
Hey, let him pop out. He's down. He's down.
on. Hey, let him pop out. He's down. He's down. Oh, really? Pat, let him pop out. Move.
We got friendly in the hotel. We got friendly in the hotel.
Hey, I think I got him. I'm not sure.
Right side of the bus, Roger. I think they're all fucking upstairs. Red building in the furthest doors. They keep shooting us as we cross.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just break left, break left. George, stand there, stick with the shield. I got the yes, that's ours. Hey, move, bud. Move. Hey! Hey, first door in the barn! First door in the barn! Red building!
This dude.
Move, bud. Move. You got me right after you got you.
It got me right here. I literally sent one. He went like this, dodged it, and popped out. It was good.
Halfway down, Patrick.
Yeah.
Okay, move it. Okay, my turn.
Cross it.
Move, bud. Move.
Move.
Eyes water.
Move it. I didn't shoot you. I didn't shoot you. I didn't shoot you. I'm not.
And here's that
He's
cheater
down.
again. Yes, it's the same dude. I'm not gonna tell you his name, but he sure does have an attitude all the time.
No one can hit you from up there, from back here. No, there's a corner. Yeah, I already got him.
Hey, Costas at the very end.
The very end? Okay.
Let's do friendly fire. Let's do friendly fire on this one.
I don't know if I get shot from up there, I'm full out on somebody.
Let's go get him. We called him the fucking...
Alright.
Did you see anyone come down?
I rep coming up! No one came down. Rep coming up! Rep coming up! Rep coming up! Come on, don't say that. No, I'm rep coming up!
Don't do that, alright. Nope.
Yeah, that dude was not CQB like...
Dude, whoever I hit in the corner, he goes dunk! And it was loud as shit. I was like, oh shit.
You still up there?
No. He's well, dude. He must be like 50 foot.
Dude, the one, someone hit me right here and like, I thought it was gonna...
I can see like
is
you
it?
got fat.
Dude.
Hey, I would understand if it was
All right, hey. Let's stack up. What the fuck? All right.
I have a grenade.
What do we got? What do we got?
They already went down there. I'm gonna go check
End of the alley.
End of the alley!
Red. Yeah, fucking. Imagine if they get a grenade in here.
You want to get up on the stairs and shoot him?
I don't think I can. I've tried. I've tried. I've tried to do it before.
Hey, can you go head upstairs?
Yeah, he's low.
Hey, get out of this building, move around from the back, put a base of fire on him so we can move up.
Yeah, Crockett, he's still there. You saw him, right?
Yep.
Yep, same spot.
Dude.
They're full autoing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Matt, you want to move? All right, Costa, get behind us.
Go for it. Go for it.
That's a hit, you fuck.
Squeeze it. Go.
All right, stand by, reloading.
Squeeze.
Stand by, reloading.
Squeeze.
What? All right.
Alright.
All right, Matt, let's move.
You want to move to the fucking,
Let's move to the next one, next to the barrel. Watch your right.
You want, okay.
All right. George, get behind us. Get ready.
Go.
All right. Move. Patrol. Yeah, patrol. Hit. God.
Ready? Face that way. Face that way real quick. I'm gonna come behind you.
Cool. Yeah, that came from across. Okay, alright.
Hey, watch it. Get
Yeah, they're shooting across through that
shooting
window.
across. I'm trying to...
Here, Costa.
Switch me. Switch me or something. That's better.
I think they're ricking.
Yeah.
I don't see shit.
That's good.
I don't see anything.
Matt,
What's up?
am I good to push back behind you?
Yeah, come here.
Yeah, just duck. Stay low. Stay low through this window. Stay low.
Yeah, you see him? You guys see him?
No, he's not going out.
No, that guy walking is dead.
No, they're dying black.
Oh, fuck. Hey, Eli, there's one low.
Where?
Next
What do you want me to do about it?
Orange.
This
low.
window is hot.
Yeah, I don't know why this dude is like fucking walking down the alley.
Traded. Get.
Yeah, he's still there.
Yeah, this window's hot.
All right, well that just got me.
Where is he? You don't know?
Somewhere that way.
Can you see through that window?
Move.
I see him.
Where? Which building? Come on, looking this way. Hey, I'll cover you. Just give me a second. What's that? I'm gonna cover you. Just give me a second. All right, here. On the red building. On the corner of there. I got red building. You watch over there.
He's not in the doorway. He's on the third one.
Hey, I hit your head.
The third window.
Try to get out. Not you.
Stay down.
That window still
Not as hot, but
There's red, Carl.
ooh.
We're on the side of the casino right now. With the shield right now. Move on
Yeah.
if you're gonna move.
Okay.
Move now. Oh,
Whew.
behind you. Okay. Reloading.
Okay.
Oh, those arms there. I don't know. If you're gonna send it, send it. Whoa.
Moving.
Go.
Target. You wanna go?
I'm going. I'm going. I'm going.
You right there, multi-cam. Watch from your right. Yeah.
What you got?
Nothing right now. You wanna go across?
I mean,
Right, Matt?
I don't care.
All right.
Fuck it.
I know. Well, I'm pretty sure there's 3 in the far red.
Yeah, I know the red.
So,
Watch right. Watch right.
hold on, I'm gonna go this way real quick.
Carl. All right, peek right. Peek right. Just cut. Which one are y'all going to bitch? I said, which one of y'all called me a bitch? Yeah, somebody said that hit me in the head. All right, move forward past that door. Move forward past the door. Get in that building, someone. Clear that.
Someone clear that building!
Clear. Chief. Get in. Chief. Matt, reach for the shield. Come around.
Coming in.
Come
Coming
around
in.
to the right window.
Cover that side.
All right, support Matt behind the right window, somebody.
Hey, I'm gonna get behind you and shoot
Pallets!
down.
Get in here. Get in that corner and shoot pallets.
You see where that's coming from?
Hey, you guys, move around.
Hey,
this
Jeep.
building. Move around.
One
this
behind
building.
Jeep. One behind
This
Jeep.
way.
One behind Jeep.
Yeah. Jeep and pallets. Get behind the shield. Use him as cover.
Hold up.
Hey, George.
Jeep's down. Jeep's down.
George.
I'm talking to Matt. What?
Let Casa relieve you with a sniper rifle.
Get over here.
Move it.
Oh, here, get out. Watch the pallets, your fault.
Is he still behind the Jeep or not?
No.
I see pallets. Hey, duck down just a little bit.
That good?
Alright, we're 2 stacked up in here. Start pulling back this way and pour through.
A little bit.
I can't get through the pallet. I can't get through the pallets though.
Oh, is it dropping?
Yeah, it's. I need this pole to move first of all. Move. Okay, I see. Okay.
Hey, we're friendly. Friendly's moving up to town hall. Move.
He's hit.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
down.
Good shit, Casa. Alright, let's I'm gonna move to town hall with the shield.
Okay.
Jacob, let's come back over here.
Unfortunately, this is where my GoPro dies. We did end up winning that game. Like, subscribe, and till next time.